Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix marathon game crashing, crashes at startup, crashing to desktop or any other crashing error on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC once. And after a PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next fix is to Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the marathon game folder, select this marathon exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, select this marathon launcher exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open the battle eye folder, select BE service x64 exe file, click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the marathon game folder, select this marathon exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is, and after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Again click on allow another app, click on browse. This time select marathon launcher exe file, click open and then click on add. Again it is already added. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open the battle eye folder, select this exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case it is already added, and after adding it click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, EVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 3 is to rename or delete the marathon folder from the temp folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all these saved settings. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open the app data folder over here. If you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view. So and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder, open the local folder. Now here look for the temp folder, open the temp folder, and now here look for the marathon folder. Here you will see marathon folder. Right click on it first, copy it and then go to desktop and paste it. And after keeping the backup of this folder, right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 4 is to rename or delete the marathon saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and you have to start everything from scratch. So if you want, then you can also keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to do it. So open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder, open the roaming folder, open the Bungie folder, and here you will see marathon saved game folder. Right click on it first, copy it, go to desktop and paste it. After keeping the backup, right click on it. Now you can either rename it or delete it. If you want to rename it, click on rename and you can rename it to .old and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can also right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to run the game from game installation folder. Try running the game in compatibility mode or run the game as an administrator. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon, select manage, then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now first double click this marathon launcher exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on this marathon exe file and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program in compatibility mode for. From drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder by double clicking this marathon exe file and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then from drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, also check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just untick all these three boxes. Also untick run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 62, uninstall and reinstall BetterLive. So again open Steam, go to library, right click on Marathon, select manage, click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Open the BetterLive folder and here you will see the uninstall BetterLive. Right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Click yes. Click OK. Now right click on install BetterLive and select run as administrator to install it. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then again right click on uninstall BetterLive, select run as administrator, click yes to allow, click yes, click OK. Now don't install the BetterLive this time from here. Just open Steam, launch the game. Now it will prompt you to install the BetterLive launcher. So click on install, click on I accept, click on OK, click yes to allow. This will launch the Marathon game and it will install the BetterLive launcher. Here you can see installing BetterLive service and then your game will get launched. But now let me close it. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can also run BE service x64 file and then check. So here you will see the BE service x64 exe file. Right click on it and then select run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Just wait, it will close automatically. And then you can go ahead and launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to disable overlay, disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Marathon and select properties. Now here is the general, you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you have installed Discord, then also disable the Discord overlay, disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience, settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay or any other overlay apps and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings, on the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available then download and install them and then just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel and the task for Afterburner, RivaTuner, HW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Now you can also close other anti-cheat software such as Riot Vanguard, Valve, Anti-Cheat Expert. So if you're running any other anti-cheat software, then close it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to modify the game launch option. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Marathon and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, this time type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 11 is to clear download cache. So again open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on settings. Then go to the downloads tab, scroll down, here you will see clear download cache. Click on clear cache. Now please take a note, this will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log in to Steam again. Do you wish to continue? So if you agree, click on confirm. This will close the Steam and then it will relaunch Steam and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update your graphic card driver. Now NVIDIA users can update their graphics card driver via NVIDIA app and AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, open NVIDIA app. So in Windows search type NVIDIA app and open it. Then go to drivers tab and here you will see check for updates icon. So click on check for updates icon. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 13 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search type graphic settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Marathon game folder Select this marathon exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expanded, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And after selecting high performance, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 14 is to disable integrated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type device manager and open it. Now expand the display adapters. Here it is, expanded. This is the integrated graphic card driver. Right click on it and then select disable device. Click yes to confirm. And after disabling the integrated graphic card driver, go ahead, launch the game and check. And after playing the game, don't forget to come back over here and then right click on it and then select enable device. Fix 15 is to install Visual C++ file. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. After your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 16 is to verify the game file. So open Steam, go to library, right click on marathon, then click on properties, and then go to the install files tab, and then click on verify integrity of game files. Don't forget to perform this solution. And after 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 17 is to turn on off hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So again in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. And here you will see advanced graphics settings. Just expand it. And here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned off, then turn it on and then go ahead, launch the game and check. And if it is already turned on, then turn it off and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So either turn it off or turn it on and then check which one works for you. Now after following all of the fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the fix 18 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall marathon game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve marathon game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashes to startup, or any other crashing error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.